Step into a thrilling new chapter with a tiny home on wheels. Discover how downsizing enriches your life with what really matters. It's a leap into a custom-fit lifestyle, perfectly tailored to energize and inspire you. Dive into California's retirement revolution. Tiny Home Builders California, blending luxurious living with delightful simplicity. Discover the joy of our tiny homes, compact, eco-smart spaces designed for your comfort, efficiency, and ultimate peace of mind. Envision a home where every inch radiates thoughtfulness and comfort, crafted just for you. Be part of a vibrant community, choosing freedom over large, empty spaces. A fellowship of joy and simplicity. Here, you're not just purchasing a home, you're seizing a lifestyle that celebrates every moment of your golden years. Experience the thrill of living grandly in a smaller, yet richer and more meaningful way. Uncover the liberating simplicity of tiny home on wheels. Your thrilling new life journey is calling. Embrace it today. Dial 949-525-7786 and start your incredible adventure.